Hey, so my mom and I are off to go camping. A little update on my life. A few months ago, lived in Kauai with a partner. That partner and I split up, so I came back to California, which is where my mom is, and I'm currently back with her until I save a few more bucks and move back to Hawaii with one of my good friends, Johnny, which you've already seen. But until then, my mom and I want to spend a lot of quality time together, and we decided that we should go camping. So we're gonna do that today, and I'm really stoked because I love camping and I can't remember the last time I went camping. I think actually the last time I went camping was at the beach, so I'm really excited to do this in the middle of the woods. I'm really excited. It was a holiday weekend, so I don't know how I managed to find an open campground, but I did. And it was the only open campground, so let's hope it's not in a sketchy area. But yeah, let's go. Let's freaking do this. I'm wearing a skirt. I love skirts. I'm really excited that I'm wearing this skirt.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yay, got an annual pass. Potty break. Our check-in at the campground is at 2, and we have a bit of time to explore. Nice hat, Mom. Whoa. It's so freaking gorgeous. That was not the trail, but it was beautiful. A very beautiful meadow. Can't get over my mom's hat and her socks. Totally thought this was gonna be a quick little hike to the lake, but turns out this is, I think, a moderate hike, and we only have this much water for all of us, my mom and I and the 2 dogs. So wish us luck, but it's so beautiful. So another hiker just informed us that this hike, it takes us 2.5 hours to get to the lake that we want to go to. And we are not prepared. So we're only, he said if we walk maybe 30 minutes up the hill a little more, we'll get a nice little panoramic view. So we're probably just gonna go to that and then come back down because we are not prepared with supplies. So yeah.
So, backpacking experience.
Where'd you get your hat, Mom? We're taking a little break.
Is it that bad?
No, it's a nice hat. Damn, girl. We made it to the top. Sadly, we have to turn around because unprepared. She's going potty. Potty with a view. Oh yeah. I love this smell. We have no Wi-Fi, which means we're not able to use Apple Maps, which means we have to use a real map. This is exciting. So we are here and we need to go down here. We made it to the campground. It's so pretty. Oh yeah. Time to unload. Peppa.
Mira, más bien aquí, ¿no?
In front of the...
No, ¿verdad? Sí, está para abajo. ¿No ves?
Ok, ¿quieres estar atrás?
No, así está bien entonces.
Oh, ¿aquí?
Sí, no, aquí está, todo está bien. Y es más, para acostarnos, pues nos acostamos así para arriba.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I think this one is bigger. Haven't done this in a while, so don't know what I'm doing. Ooh. Hello? Are you tired, Mom? Are you tired? Come on. Oh, come here. Yeah, look. think it's working. Oh, this is great. Huh? Oh, okay. Is this how you cut them? The what? Oh, the chili flakes?
Black pepper.
Black pepper. Chili peppers. What? We're good? Oh, yeah. Dinner time. We just had our pasta. Mom, how was it?
Delicioso.
She did this. Chef's kiss. Now she's swinging me on the hammock. So peaceful. Fresh air. I hope I don't fall. Will you catch me? Ah. Manning the fire. Burning up my chocolate. This is dangerous. Melting my chocolate. And that's how you get a beautiful s'more. It looks burnt, but I promise it's delicious. I spilled water in my pants earlier, so hoping they dry themselves. We're going to the restroom before it gets dark. Oh my god, it's so beautiful out here. I really have missed camping. I'm definitely going to come back for a solo backpacking trip for the that lake we didn't go to. No, eso no. Ese lo... You can't really see me, but it is just me now. It is 11 p.m. or maybe 10 p.m. I'm gonna be here until the fire runs out, and who knows, maybe I'll just sit out for a while longer. It's just so beautiful outside.
Buenos días, Miss Sleeping Beauty.
Yes, yes. Good morning.
Good morning.
So the morning was kind of cold. We were definitely snuggled up with the dogs. But now the sun is out and it's actually kind of warm. But slept good. Obviously we slept on the floor of the woods, so it wasn't like the most luxurious stay, but it was comfy and I don't want to get up. And I love waking up in the woods. Gonna go for a quick little morning bike ride. Peppa doesn't like the bike basket. Biking with water is hard, so I miss it. Getting some water for the coffee. I brought from home this 4 Sigmatic ground coffee, and also this is dirt. But I've definitely noticed a difference in my mood. And then I also brought like a Folgers, just like a random coffee, my French press, some honey, and somewhere here I have some powdered creamer. My water's boiling. Some vegan powdered creamer, some honey, just a tad bit. Woo! Okay, mommy. How was sleeping in a tent?
Si hubiera tenido colchón, súper.
English, please.
If I had a mattress, it would have been awesome.
My mom kept tossing and turning all night, and I didn't find it too uncomfortable. It was a bit cold at one point. Were you cold?
No.
You weren't cold?
No, it was not cold.
Yay, my pancake! Oh, mama, I don't need a fork, thank you. I'm gonna eat this tortilla style. Ooh, that's good. It came out really
Are
good.
you gonna eat another one?
No, probably not. I'm not a breakfast
Because there's
person.
more.
Oh, then yeah, make them. Another round of pancakes, please. Thanks, Mom. Oh, wow. Ooh, this feels good. Wow. I really want to get in there. Have to end with some Bear Mountain pizza, baby. Thanks for watching.